Good morning, all of you. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. Evaluate yourself 7-1. The spin only magnetic moment mu s of tetrachloridomanganate 2 ion is 5.9 Bohr magneton. On the basis of VPT valency bond theory, predict the type of hybridization and geometry of the compound. The spin only magnetic moment of tetrachloridomanganate 2 ion is 5.9 Bohr magneton. From the magnetic moment value 5.9 Bohr magneton, we come to conclusion that this tetrachloridomanganate 2 ion containing 5 unpaired electron. On the basis of valency bond theory, predict the type of hybridization and geometry of the compound. So, the given value is mu s value. Spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to 5.9 Bohr magneton. From this, we can easily write from the 5, we can write n value equal to 5, number of unpaired electron equal to 5. What is the compound given in our problem? Tetrachloridomanganate 2 ion. Anionic complex Mn, manganate, name end with 8, Cl 4 times and 2 minus ion. The oxidation state of Mn in this complex is 2 plus. From this, now we are going to write hybridization, geometry, magnetic moment and goes on. Whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic, we can easily write. The central metal ion is Mn, atomic number 25. Electronic configuration argon 18, 20, 25. Mn is in 2 plus oxidation state. Therefore, manganese 2 plus is loss of 2 electron, argon 18, 3d5, 4s0, manganese 2 plus. Now, I am going to draw the box form 5 orientations of d orbital. D orbital contain 5 electron. So, d orbital has 5 orientation: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. 4s, only one orientation. Fill the electron in 3d and 4s orbital. This is 3d and 4s. D orbital 5 unpaired electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S orbital is the vacant orbital. Now, we have to write the nature of ligand. Our ligand is Cl minus. Cl minus is a weak field ligand. Therefore, it does not pair all unpaired electron. Simply, it does not pair unpaired electrons. So, the electronic configuration of Mn2 plus is as such. There is no change in the unpaired electron. in Mn2 plus, still it contains 5 unpaired electron. 3D xy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared, and 4s here. So after filling the electron, now we will go to the next step. This is 3D and that one is 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coordination number of Mn2 plus. What is coordination number? Number of chemical bonds formed between central metal ion and ligand. Coordination number of Mn2 plus is 4. Therefore, the central metal ion provide 4 vacant orbital. Central metal ion Mn2 plus provide 4 vacant orbital. For the ligand, in that vacant orbital, the ligand donate its pair of electron. Now, 3D 5 orientation, and here we require 4 unpaired electron. Still we have only one, not 4 unpaired electron, 4 vacant orbital. Now we have only one vacant orbital, this is 4s. So remaining 3 vacant orbital is taken from 4p. First 5 orientation belongs to 3D, then 4s, then 4p. 3D containing 5 unpaired electron, its magnetic moment equal to 5.9 Bohr magneton. Now the vacant orbital start from 4s orbital. How many ligand we have? 4 ligand. Cl minus, 1 Cl minus, second Cl minus, third Cl minus, fourth Cl minus. So each Cl minus share a pair of electron with the vacant orbitals of manganese 2 plus. What is the hybridization we have? The hybridization start from s orbital, end with p orbital. Hybridization start with s orbital, end with p orbital. So hybridization is sp3 hybridization. If the hybridization is sp3, what is the geometry? Tetrahedral geometry. Tetrahedral geometry. Now, we have to calculate number of unpaired electron using that. Number of unpaired electron. Number of unpaired electrons. N value equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, due to the presence of unpaired electron, the complex is paramagnetic in nature. Complex is paramagnetic in nature. Therefore, we can calculate magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. Mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton equal to number of unpaired electron equal to 5. 5 into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 equal to 7. 7 into 5 are 35. So, root 35 is equal to 5.9 Bohr magneton. This is magnetic moment value. Actually, in our problem, 5.9 value is given. From that, we can understand the complex containing 5 unpaired electron. Tetrahedral geometry. Mn central metal ion at the center. Mn2 plus ion. In tetrahedral geometries, where the bonds are present, above the plane one bond, So here one bond, here one bond. Fourth bond is perpendicular to the plane. Fourth bond is perpendicular to the plane. What are the ligands? We have 4 ligands. All are Cl minus ion. One Cl minus, then next Cl minus, third Cl minus, fourth Cl minus. This is your tetrahedral geometry, and we know the charge on the complex is 2 minus manganate ion. Charge on the complex is 2 minus ion. Here we have 2 minus. This is MnCl4 2 minus. So hybridization, geometry, magnetic moment of tetrachloridomanganate 2 ion is discussed here. Tetrahedral geometry. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.